Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, you are going to learn the 3 basic tips on how to create your YouTube thumbnails that will surely invite more viewers to click on your videos. So without further ado, let's start. So for this tutorial, we'll be using again the Pixelab application. At kung first time mo dito sa channel ko, you can download Pixelab sa Google Play Store. We can now open the Pixelab application. Delete lang muna natin yung text box. Just click the garbage can icon. Click OK. And now change natin yung image size. Click lang natin yung tatlong dots sa pinakataas sa kanan. Then choose image size. Click lang natin yung drop down. And then piliin natin ng YouTube thumbnail. Then click OK. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-add yung background natin. Just click yung plus sign na icon. Click from gallery. Then choose lang natin yung image. Click check. And to fit in yung background natin dun sa thumbnail size natin, click lang natin tong icon na to. Then choose relative size. Make the width 100%. Then check. At para hindi gumalaw yung background habang naglalagay tayo ng mga ibang details, i-lock lang natin siya. So click this one and click yung padlock icon and click ulit ito. Adding your face pictures on your thumbnails feels like more real and more sincere with your intentions. So add lang natin yung picture natin. Just click the plus sign icon from gallery and then choose lang natin yung picture natin. Check mark. And then change lang natin yung size niya. Punta tayo ulit sa relative size. Then click check. Ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano ko na-remove yung background sa face picture ko. Gagamit tayo ng other application which is yung PixArt. Like yung Pixelab, download lang natin to sa Google Play Store. So open lang natin yung application. Then click the plus sign icon. Choose mo lang yung all photos. And then piliin mo yung picture na tatanggalin mo yung background. Then click mo sa baba yung cutout. And then choose person. Then click save. Click mo yung arrow na to. Then click save again sa baba. Then save picture on your device. And then click gallery. And you're done. It is very important to add text on your thumbnails so that people can clearly see what your channel is all about. So our goal is to make our text readable. So paano? First, make our text short and simple. So instead of putting the whole or complete title of your video, just put 3 to 4 words on your thumbnail. The reason is that the more text you have on your thumbnail, the lesser you were able to stretch those texts to make it big. Like in this video, instead of putting how to create or how to make a YouTube thumbnails 2020, we will just put custom YouTube thumbnail 2020. So add lang tayo ng text. Click lang natin itong plus sign icon, then text, then itong pencil icon, tapos input na natin yung text. Click done and click OK. So ako, per batch or per word ako nag-a-add ng text. The reason is that para maposisyon ko ng tama yung bawat text sa thumbnail. So add lang ulit ako ng text. Click the pencil icon. Ayusin lang natin yung text. Then, stretch na natin siya to make it big. So, click lang natin itong icon na to. Then, hanapin natin size. Then, adjust natin siya. Then, click check. Another tip ko sa inyo is to avoid fancy fonts. I know magaganda silang tingnan sa screen, but if your viewer is 5 meters away from the computer and they are using mobile phones, mahihirapan silang basahin yung text sa thumbnails mo. So, click lang natin yung text. Then, click natin ulit yung text icon. Hanapin natin font. And then, pili lang tayo ng simple font style. Siguro pwede na to. Click OK. Pwede rin tayong maglagay ng stroke dun sa bawat text natin or ibahin natin yung color to emphasize more yung mga text. Punta naman tayo sa stroke. Enabled lang natin. Then, pili lang tayo ng color. Click lang natin itong plus sign. Kung nakapili na tayo, click OK. But for this one, gawin ko na lang black. And to enhance or adjust yung stroke, adjust lang natin dito sa baba, dito sa stroke width. Yan, okay na siguro yan. Then click check. Pwede rin nating baguhin yung color ng ibang text natin. Like, siguro itong YouTube thumbnail, baguhin natin. Punta lang tayo sa color. Then, pili tayo. Click OK. So, mapapansin nyo, lahat ng text is nilagay ko on the left side. The reason is si YouTube is nagpa-flash ng maraming icons dun sa right side. So, if ever na nilagay natin siya sa right side, may tendency na hindi siya makita ng mga viewers ng maayos. So, make sure to put all your text, all your important details dun sa left side. Pwede rin tayong mag-add ng other image just to add flavor sa thumbnails natin. So, add tayo ng click check. Lagay lang natin siya dito. So, save na natin siya. Click lang natin tong icon na to. Then, click Save as Project. Lagyan lang natin siya ng name. Then, click Done. Then, click uli natin. Click naman natin Save as Image. Then, Save to Gallery. Before you can upload your YouTube thumbnails, you need to verify first your account. So, punta ka lang sa Google browser mo. Then, type mo youtube.com. Then, click mo lang yung profile icon sa pinakataas sa kanan. Then, click mo lang Settings. Then, punta ka sa Channel Status and Features. Click mo tong Verify. So, select mo lang your country. And then, how should we deliver the code to you? So, pili ka lang either they will call you or send you a verification code via text. So, click lang natin yung second. And then, lagay lang natin yung phone number natin. Then, click Submit. Then, enter nyo lang yung verification code na itetext sa inyo ni Google. Then, click Submit. So your YouTube account is now verified. So after you verify your account, punta ka na sa YouTube app mo. Then click mo yung profile icon. Then click YouTube Studio. Click install. And then open mo na siya. Then click mo tong icon na to. Then click videos. Choose mo yung video na gusto mong lagyan ng thumbnail. Then click the pencil icon. Click mo ulit siya. Then click mo tong custom thumbnail. So choose mo yung ginawa nating thumbnail. Then click select. And then save. If you learned something about this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and hit mo na rin yung subscribe and notification bell if you want to learn more. Thank you for watching. God bless and have a nice day.